You can now create these incredibly detailed and accurate infographics in seconds, where it can distill huge amounts of information into easy-to-understand visuals and clear text. And you can even have the AI make specific edits or corrections on the infographic. Here's how to do this. You have several options for where to make these, depending on what you want to do. The first option is if you want to be able to generate multiple infographics at once and have the AI make edits to them. It also doesn't give your image watermarks. To do this, go to the Flow website, which is part of labs.google. Create a new project. Now go to the Images tab and set your output to Create Image. Press this settings icon and make sure Nano Banana Pro is the model. Set the aspect ratio you want for your infographic, and then set the output to the maximum of 4. Now enter the prompt for the infographic you want to create. And after some seconds, we see the 4 different infographics it created for us, which you can download. Let's say I like the style of this one, but I want to make a minor edit. Click on the image. It opens this menu of tools to let you draw and annotate on the image. Then you draw or write on the image to ask for the changes you want. Once done, press the arrow so that it makes a new image with the edits applied. And here's what we get, which we can download. Another option is if you have a lot of documents and data that you want to turn into infographics. For example, when you're doing research or creating a presentation, you're better off going to NotebookLM and uploading all your various sources there. And then once it's done processing, go to the Infographic button and press the pencil icon. I'm going to choose a portrait orientation for the image and pick concise for the level of detail, because it has a tendency to write a lot of text when you have a lot of documents. And here you essentially enter the prompt for the infographic you want to create. And now that it's done, we can look at it and download it. And the last option is you just want to more simply generate infographics. For that, I'd recommend going to the Gemini chatbot. Select the Create Image option here. You can still upload documents or images that you want to be used to create your infographic here. And you can specify the orientation of your infographic in the prompt, along with what you want created. And here's what we get, which we can again download.